Hello? Hello? Hello?
No, Dr. Shweta, your voice, I can't actually hear you.
Can anyone else hear me apart from Dr. Smriti? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can hear you.
You're quite audible.
Okay. I guess now Dr. Smriti cannot hear me.
Now I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Okay, I needed last minute some technical intervention. All sorts of settings had to be reset. Anyways, so good morning, all the participants. On behalf of the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Patna, our HOD was supposed to join us, but due to the demise of a close relative in his family, he has been preoccupied with the preparation of last rites. But we are hopeful that sometime during the session he'll be able to join. So let me first introduce my department and a little bit about IIT Patna. Dr. Smriti, my senior colleague and co-coordinator of this particular program, must have talked something about the department. So we are a total of 9 faculty members, a comparatively relatively young department, but we are very hopeful that we'll grow fast. So subject streams like English and linguistics and economics, management, social science. In social studies, we have sociology and public health. These are the main subject areas that are being taught right now. So IIT Patna right now has BTech programs, MTech, MSc programs, and PhD programs. As far as our department is concerned, so we offer quite a number of BTech elective subjects and a full-fledged PhD course. We have a very successful list of scholars who have done our institute and are employed at various institutes across India. There are various scholars who are currently enrolled in the programs. Our department has been very proactive when it comes to offering such courses, short-term courses, workshops, FDPs. We have been planning a similar FDP since last year, but due to the COVID and all sorts of challenges in each one of us we are facing in our personal lives. But thankfully, we got a chance to conduct this course, and both Dr. Smriti and myself, we look forward to having to provide you with a very fruitful and resourceful, this 1 week course on the development of communication skills. Our first resource person is Professor T. Ravi Chandran. He'll join us at 10. Dr. Smriti will introduce him. So, let me, ask you one thing. What is your expectation from this course? You can type in your response in the chat box so that we also have an idea whether we are meeting your expectations or do we need to redesign a little bit in our course so that we meet your expectations. So if you have any explicit expectation, do let us know in the chat box. That will be a great help to us. As you all know, there's each session will have a question answer session towards the end. Proactively participate in the session. That feedback helps us to know whether we have lived up to your expectations. What more can we do, and how far have you been able to understand what we try to deliver? Attendance will be taken throughout the session. Needless to say, it will be a surprise thing. We won't intimate you beforehand that we are taking attendance. We'll take snapshots in between for logistic purpose. We are also answerable to AICTE. So So that's one thing. You have to attend minimum 60% of the classes, and you have to not 60% of the classes. You have to score 60%. You have to score. You have to score 60% in order to obtain a certificate. These are some of the basic things. Yes, we have tried to have our course very, very interactive. It will not be like a classroom lecture, unidirectional. So in case if you have something to share, do let us know time and again. So 108 of us have already joined. So we are total 200. Let's see, more people might join in a while. Soft skills, in the last couple of decades, soft skills have suddenly become very, very important. And I can say that it's because of globalization and a lot of technological intervention that it has become important. I remember 20 years back, MBA degree was not very, very popular. So people from technical background used to take up managerial roles. And they used to say, with experience, you can tackle teams, you can make plans, make work proposals, things like that. But due to so much of challenge and cutthroat competition, this entire stream developed, and with that developed the domain of communication skills, that to professional communication, technical communication, because primarily we might know a lot of things, but the beauty is how far we are able to disseminate the information that we have, how far we are able to strike a positive communication and negotiate what we want in our favor. So these have become the prerequisites of a successful career for anyone, for any professional. So with this particular intention in our mind, we planned this FDP, and the topics are designed in a way that we at least touch upon all the vital components of communication skills. Hopefully we deliver what we we plan, and we live up to your expectations. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shweta, for introducing our participants about our department. Dr. T. Ravichandran has joined. He's the first resource person who's going to begin the first session of this FDP with communication skills and what would be effective communication skills and barriers in communication skills. Dr. T. Ravichandran is presently a professor of English in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He won from Pondicherry University the Gold Medal Prize for his PhD work on fluidity of identity in John Barth and Thomas Pynchon. He graduated from the American College, Madurai, where he won the A.V. Tilak Prize for standing first among the MA candidates. He has presented a number of papers in national seminars and international conferences. Notable among his presentations are the ones in Bucknell University, Pennsylvania, and Florida Atlantic University, Florida, USA, Kogakuin University, Tokyo, Japan, Seoul National University, Seoul, South Korea, and Lucian Blaca University, Sibiu, Romania. He has written more than 50 research articles in book chapters, supervised 10 doctoral theses, edited a special issue on cyberpunk literature for Creative Forum Journal, and published a book on postmodern identity. In his distinguished career, he has taught various courses in English language and literature, and for most of them based on course appreciations by the students, he has received recommendation letters from the director of IIT Kanpur. His courses on NPTEL are very famous, the ones on communication skills and the Swayam MOOC on developing soft skills and personality and enhancing soft skills and personality. With these words, I welcome Professor Ravichandran.
Just check whether I'm audible to all.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'm also like trying to set my another laptop just to be on the safe side. So Costco is asking us to download software and then register. So everywhere I have to install it. Okay, if I'm audible, let me see how to start the presentation.
You can see the share tab at the bottom
Share
of the
content,
screen.
okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So if you click that, you can share your presentation if it is open in a separate tab on your system.
Ma'am, may I say something? Rupam Ghosh here, Smriti ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, actually, the participants could not hear you at all when you were speaking. I think some mic problem is there when you were speaking. We can hear the first host. Now we can hear Dr. Ravichandran also. But when you are speaking, your voice is coming very low. So next time can you just check on your mic part, please, ma'am? Just a request from our side.
I'll do
Yeah.
that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So my voice is audible, right?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, okay. So share content, I was just checking optimize for image.
Sir, if your PPT is open and if you click share content, then you can directly click onto your
PPT is already open.
Yes, so if you click share, you'll see your PPT there. And there is a share tab at the top as well, the third tab from your left. So that has share multimedia option.
It's actually opening share content. It's not opening the video. I don't know why. Okay, I'll just try to do it from the see, there is again Microsoft OneDrive. I'm just seeing.
So there is a third tab, share, at the top on your left.
See, in share content, I am able to see optimize for image, optimize for video. And after that, what is there? Okay. So are you able to see that now? I just shared it. Share screen. Okay.
So below share content, you have share web browser, share multimedia.
Yeah, I have already clicked the share and then clicked my screen also. Already PPT is open. Is share screen. WebEx would like to share, I'm saying okay. But after that, it's not taking me to the screen. I don't know why. Already PPT is open. Okay, I'm also having this connected in my desktop. Let me see from there. It's allowing me to share it. We have to see how audio works. So
Sir, there's a share button on the left hand side. Yeah, we got to, yes.
are you able to see?
Yes.
Yes, we can see your screen and we can also hear you.
Okay. So you're able to see the PPT. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you are able to see the PPT and you are able to hear me also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in between I have video. So maybe at that time, let's see how it should be done. But let me start the session. Okay. So thank you so much for inviting me to give a talk on effective communication and strategies for overcoming barriers. So most of the faculty who are here, I think like they have some basic idea about communication, and I don't want to bore them with those theoretic part. I'm just directly going to give some suggestions, and especially the uh, subtitle of this uh, topic is actually the main topic of this entire session, that is soft skills and at the workplace, developing the right attitude, etiquette, and communication. So the focus that I have done is to look at soft skills. That will be very relevant. Communication gets enhanced. Okay. So normally in an interview, okay, or even in general communication, people say that there are certain traits, like they will say that you have to be cheerful, you have to be enthusiastic for maintaining any human relationships, or doing well in interviews. You have to be proactive, you have to be communicative, you have to be confident, you have to be humorous. Okay. And you should be the person who responds promptly to any queries. Anybody is asking anything, you should be able to do that promptly. Okay. Now the question is, are they enough to get a job and or to maintain a good rapport with your colleagues? Okay. Now I just want you to watch a video and then we'll come back. And this will also be useful in checking whether video is working in WebEx properly. And if it is not working, I'll just go to this. Okay, so let's see whether you are able to see that. So I think for video again, I have to go for sharing, I think. So I have opened the video, but I think it's not shown here.
So if you go to the top button, the top share button. In the drop down menu over there, you have the third button, that's share multimedia.
Okay, just okay. Share. No, other than screen, on the top, share your computer audio is there. Optimize text and images. Optimize for motion and video is there. Is that the one?
No, sir. In share itself, the third tab from the top. Share content, share web browser, share multimedia.
Okay. Share content.
Then there would be another tab, share web browser.
Yeah, that's what like it is showing. It is showing me optimize for motion and video in this one.
No, you don't have to go into share content.
Okay.
Just below share content, you have share web browser. And below that, you have share multimedia.
See, there is only one share. Okay.
Sir, when you take your cursor to the share tab, the moment you put your cursor there, a drop down list appears. The first one is share content, then share web browser, then the third one is share multimedia. You don't have to click on share, you just put your cursor on share and then the drop down list appears. On the left hand side top corner, there's a share tab. So take your cursor there and a drop down list appears. Can you see that drop down list?
See, share is just below.
On the
Okay,
left hand side top, you see there's a file, then there's edit, then there's share.
Okay. So there is a share content. Okay.
No, you
And
don't
there
have to
is
click on share content, share multimedia.
audio and video is there.
Below share content, there's share web browser, then there's share multimedia. Can you see
So
that?
multimedia is not enabled in this one. Maybe you have to enable it, I think. You have not enabled for the
We cannot do
audio.
anything from here, sir. We cannot do.
It is showing me share content, share web browser, share multimedia is just disabled.
Ghost icon. We cannot do anything from here for that, sir.
So what?
If you send me the link, I can play.
No, I have actually downloaded all the videos. Actually, somewhere from your host, you need to enable the multimedia, and then it will allow me to present it.
Okay, so check now. Please check now once again.
Actually, I think there is some issue there. It's saying meeting is locked. It's not letting me connect it.
Okay, just a minute. No, meeting is not locked. No, because I've put the share mode on for everyone right now because of
Okay.
this problem.
Okay, we'll another thing is like we can do it without the video. I can see the audio video, but I don't know why. Share still now. See, I have connected through another desktop from where I am showing. So maybe you should make that as a host one, Dr. TRC desktop.
Okay.
Huh.
Uh-huh.
Just see whether you can make that as a host one. And if it doesn't work, I think we should continue.